I think you all clear the last day's class. Okay, we study about the parts of a leaf and their functions. Are you clear? Okay, today we want to study a new session, that is photosynthesis. What is it? Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation. So, using light, plants make their own food. That is photosynthesis. Listen here. Photosynthesis. The process by which green leaves make their own food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight and carbon dioxide and water and make food. That is the photosynthesis or food making process of leaves. Which are the contents of photosynthesis? Listen here. First one, the main energy is sunlight. Sunlight is very essential for photosynthesis. Photo, yes. Then sunlight. Then second one, chlorophyll. Okay. Chlorophyll is present in green leaves. Very good. Then water. Okay. Then carbon dioxide. This is also called CO2. Yes, these are the four things necessary for photosynthesis: sunlight, chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide. Okay, so the process by which green leaves make food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll make food for the plants. And photo means light and synthesis means they putting together. Due to the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water, they all put together in the leaves and they make their own food. That process is known as photosynthesis. Are you clear? Or otherwise you look at the blackboard. Here you can see sunlight. Sunlight we get from sun. And chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in leaves. In which part the food making process going on? Okay, in the chlorophyll leaf. Yes. Then water we get from atmosphere and carbon dioxide also. We breathe out carbon dioxide and breathe in oxygen. So, all the living things breathe out carbon dioxide and that carbon dioxide is used for the preparation of food for the plants or the photosynthesis. That is why we say that plants protect us or plants give us protection. Okay. So, these are the agents of photosynthesis. I think you all clear. Okay. Then, how do leaves make food? Then, I will explain very briefly that how do leaves make food. So, root absorb. I already told you that leaf, stem and roots. These are the main part of a leaf. You remember that? Okay. Then root absorb the sunlight, root absorb minerals and food. Minerals and food from the soil. Clear? Root absorb minerals and water or food from the soil. Okay. Then root absorb it and reaches through the stem. Here you look at the picture. Here the root absorb the minerals and water from the soil and it reaches through the stem through leaves. This is the stem and it reaches through stems through the leaves. Okay. Then through these leaves they absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide and chlorophyll is already present here and they use sunlight and carbon dioxide and they absorb water also and make their own food. That is why how photosynthesis take place. Root absorb water, minerals from the soil and through the stem it reaches the leaves. Leaves already have chlorophyll and absorb sunlight and they make their own process or food making process. That is the process here going on. Yes. This plant, this kind of food is a simple sugar. That is simple sugar or glucose. Simple sugar. During the photosynthesis, plants make simple sugar or glucose. Simple sugar or glucose. C6H12O6. This is the content present in the glucose. C6H12O6. So, this is a simple sugar or glucose. I think you all clear photosynthesis? Okay. Then, how do plants use these foods? You eat food every day and to our growth and repair the damaged cells we use our food. Likewise, how do plants use their food? First one, they burn it to produce energy. Where do you get energy? Yes, you get energy from the food. Likewise, plants burn to produce energy. Yes. Then they use it for their growth and repair the damaged cells. Okay. Burn to produce energy, repair the damaged growth and damaged cells. Are you clear? Okay. Then they store the extra food in the forms of different parts of a plant like leaves, stem, roots, flowers and seeds. Okay, this is why how plants use their food to store extra food in different parts of a leaf, different parts of a plant like leaf, stem, root, flower, seed, etc. And they burn to produce energy and through their growth and repair the damaged cells. Okay. Then Today we want to do an activity. Do you like experiment or activity? Yes, okay. Today, test for stars. We can now do an activity. Listen here. Test for stars. Here we want to do an experiment to test for star. In that we need iodine solution and I take rice water. Okay. Then this iodine solution gives color change when you add to the starch solution. The iodine gives blue-black color to the starch solution. So, let us do an experiment. Here, I take some rice water. This is the rice water and this is the iodine solution. Here you look, the presence of starch, iodine, when you put or when you add iodine to this solution, it will change into blue-black. Look here, the difference you can see, the presence of starch we can identify using, can you listen? Yes, the presence of starch we can see the solution change into blue-black. That is why, because of the presence of starch, it turns into blue-black. When you take a potato, they also change into blue-black color. And if you want to observe a starch solution, give blue-black color when you put iodine solution. Are you clear? Take some rice water, put iodine into that solution, then the solution turns blue-black. Here you can see clearly the solution change into blue-black. The presence of starch in the solution. Which solution you add? Very good, iodine solution. Okay. Let us. Thank you.